Welcome back everyone to another video. Today we're going to see the best app for budgeting. So, without further ado, EveryDollar is a zero-based budgeting app created by Ramsey Solutions. It's designed to help users plan every dollar of income toward categories like expenses, savings, and debt until your budget reaches zero. The free version is manual only, while the premium EveryDollar Plus plan adds automatic bank syncing, coaching calls, and enhanced reportings. According to the NerdWallet and Forbes advisor, it's ideal for beginners or anyone following Ramsey's baby steps, but it lacks advanced tools some competitors now offer. So, you get to build around zero-based budgeting where each dollar is assigned a category, so your income minus expenses equals zero. The free version, which is manually enter all transactions, and with the premium versions, automatic bank sync connects to 13,000 institutions with manual categorization. Premium offers custom reporting, budget insights, goal tracking, and progress on baby step milestone. You can share a single Ramsey account across devices typically used by couples for collaborative budgeting, and also you get access to group coaching calls, budgeting walkthroughs, and Ramsey Plus content like Financial Peace University. So, it's clean, simple interface, effective friction via manual categorization, great for zero-based budgeting, premium autosync adds convenience, and educational value. Now, moving on to the cons, the free version is laborious, requires entering and categorizing every single expense manually, no bank sync. The premium is relatively expensive, $17.99 a month or $79.99 per year, with fewer features than similarity priced competitors like YNAB or Monarch Money. Also, frequent syncing failures, especially after OS or bank updates. Android users often report crashes or broken links. Lacks investment tracking, credit card handling beyond manual entries, and advanced forecasting tools. Some reports losing budget data after updates. Household sharing means shared login and potential conflicts. Also, you cannot swap between months easily, no dark mode, mobile and web apps sometimes. So it's best for followers of Dave Ramsey's method using zero-based budgeting and baby steps, couples or families sharing a budget, especially via joint manual entry, users who benefit from friction manually categorizing teaches awareness, and beginners or budgeters who want a no-nonsense, clean interface. And that's it guys. EveryDollar is a solid initiative budgeting app that lives up to its purpose, helping users allocate and control spending dollar by dollar. Its minimalistic design and zero-based methodology shine for simplicity and accountability. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.